Welcome back, everyone. Honest Try TV. Jason here with
Nicole.
Hey, and today we bring you another Boba-like item from Costco. Boom, right there. We found this at Costco, and we were like, "Whoa, what is this?"
Oh.
And what is this?
What is it? Brown sugar boba milk tea mochi.
Mochi. Look at this. They're putting boba in everything.
Yes.
And boba is pretty much what? Tapioca, right?
Mm-hmm. Tapioca pearls.
What is that tip?
Tropical fields.
And what is that? Individual 60 comes in the pack. What is that? With a boba pearl center. I wonder if that means just one right in there. I guess we'll find out soon.
Let me flip it over. So there we go. Like a cloud. They're so soft and chewy in the middle. They are oh so gooey. Its center has a brown sugar flavor with a boba pearl. So it sounds like one.
Oh no.
Inside to savor.
Just one?
Just one.
That sounds sad.
Oh, you know what? It's not as much sugar as I was imagining.
Just 3 grams?
I thought it would be jam-packed.
Well, maybe it's just per serving. Maybe they're really little tiny ones. We'll find out when we're about to open it.
Still, that's a lot better than I was anticipating.
True that. It says freeze for a cool treat. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, you can freeze it.
That's neat.
So yeah, it's shelf stable. So we just got this off the shelf, so you don't have to refrigerate or anything like that.
But before we open it, you guys, we would appreciate a subscription, a like, comment down below what you think. And again, this is a Costco find.
Yes.
Just like our previous videos, we had other ones that were
boba
milk tea.
Shelf stable boba, pre-made boba, and then we found like a boba ice cream treat.
Yeah.
And then there were frozen tapioca pearls that are like ready-made. You microwave them, you add them to milk, and then boom, brown sugar.
Check out that video.
Boba milk tea.
All right, Let's keep going.
All right.
Open this bad boy up.
You know how I am when it's like a Ziploc access. I always like destroy it. So I'm trying to be careful. Not cause irreparable harm here. Here we go. Oh, they are small.
They're tiny. Holy smokes. Let's check out the little baggie. Oh, it smells delicious in there.
It smells good.
Wow. Oh, yeah, look how tiny it is. Holy smokes. Yeah. All right, open it up.
It's so tiny. Oh. I really like mochi, so. Ta-da.
Tiny. Take half a bite and then see if there's only like one in there. Put it back in the palm.
Yeah, there's only one.
Wow.
I think I bit.
She killed it. Yeah.
Off.
That's interesting. How's it taste?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's not blowing me away. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 5.
Wow. Would you buy it again?
No.
Oh, wow. How about recommending it to a friend?
No.
Wow. I mean, it looks delicious. It smells delicious. And there's 60 of them in there.
Yeah.
They're so tiny.
Yeah, 60 individual packs.
That's cool.
Here, you got it.
So wow. I'm taking it out for myself right here. I'm going to check it out. Okay. Oh, yeah. You could feel there's only one in there. Yeah, you could kind of see right there, dead center. Only one. And
it's okay.
I mean, it's okay. It does taste like a boba milkshake or milk tea, but it's not wowing me. Like I said, yeah. It's okay. If you want, I mean, definitely try it out. If you see it at your Costco, I would say try it out if you like boba. But it's nothing to die over, nothing to crave or anything like that.
Nope. Yeah.
All right.
It's okay. It's meh.
It's meh.
So, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below. This has been our review of the brown sugar boba milk tea mochi from Costco.
Costco.
And we'll see you next time on Honest Try TV. Bye.
See ya.